Drive the vehicle to the service bay and park it. Check if the handbrake is on. Measure the original body height and fill in the record sheet. Prepare a socket for removing the tire screws and a power wrench. Remove the tire screws and put the tires in place. Check if there are brake fluid, pipes and wiring harnesses on them. Remove the connection near the front shock absorber. Remove the tower top fixing screws. Separate the shock from the ram's hull and remove it. EDDY short spring is developed and designed according to the original car shop data. Marking, rear spring installation. Remove the rear shock absorber and check if there is any oil leakage damage. If there is, please replace all. Upgrade EDDYSTAR's shock cartridge in time. Put the original shock absorber back in after inspection. Determine the upper and lower diameter of the spring and install the EDDYSTAR Short Spring. Install the lower swing arm. Fixing screws. Check all screws and use a torque wrench to apply force to fix it and mark it well. Fix the rear spring and make sure the vehicle is at normal height. After installation, check whether the shock and surrounding parts are cut and rattled. Check if the angle of the plumb string is normal. Conduct a test drive to make sure the installation is in place. After no problem, carry out vehicle four-wheel alignment data check and fill in the vehicle data sheet. EDDY short spring installation completed.